Hello guys, namaste. This is Venus Lata Amita, your digital coach, and welcome back for exciting editing. Today we will learn about some more about adding text and some small settings that are required while editing. So, are you ready? Without wasting time, I am going to share my screen. Yes. Before editing, I want to share one more thing with you guys. These are the small clips from my raw video. So if I want to change the size of this clip, then to resize this clip, when we move the cursor to the edges of that selected clip, then we will left click the mouse and drag the edges towards the direction where we want to expand or shrink the clip. Okay. Or if you want to undo this, there is a option to undo and redo. If you want to write any text over your video, you can use this text and then quick text here. This is the text. In this titles and basics, we can write the text here, whatever you want. So I'm writing here, this guy is going to the factory visit. Sorry, visit at village. Now you can change the text color from here. You can set any color. You can change the size of your font from here, or you can change the font type as well. The Roboto family, then I can choose this. Okay. You can bold it. You can make it italic, or all the text related editing you can do, and you can also apply the word art on that. Okay, whatever you want, you can use. This word art will be reflect on that. You can also change the font size by dragging these corners of the text. You can see here, right? You can place the text box wherever you want by holding it and moving this. So by this way, you can add a text. One more thing I want to share with you guys. This is our video which we are going to edit. If you want to add any video track up or down by clicking on right click, then you can add video track, add audio track by clicking on that. Okay. In same manner, you can delete the selected track also. Okay guys. So in this video, you found that how you can add a text to your video. So practice on it, and we will meet with the next topic in our next video. Guys, stay connected and stay tuned. Thank you.